Hey there, lovelies! Today, we're taking a journey into the magical world of text messages. But not just any texts, these are the kind that make your man's heart skip a beat and make him fall head over heels for you. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The thinking about you text. Imagine this, your man is hard at work, and then bam! He gets a text from you that says, "Hey, I just heard our song on the radio, and I couldn't help but think about you." This simple but sweet message shows him that you're on his mind and that you care about the little moments you share. Number 2. The drive me wild text. Let's spice things up a little. When your man is away, send him a text that paints a picture only he can see. For example, "I can't wait to feel your kisses all over my body tonight. You know where I love them most." Remember, guys are visual creatures, so let your words ignite his imagination and make him crave your touch. Number 3. The "I love your" text. One of the best ways to make a man feel special is to compliment him. But not just any compliment, something that shows you truly appreciate him. Here's a twist: "I love the way you always make me feel safe and protected. It's like I have my own personal superhero." Be specific and genuine, and watch his self-esteem soar. Number 4. The recognition reminder text. Sometimes, we get caught up in our own lives and forget to show our appreciation. Send a text like this to remind your man how much you value him. "Thank you for always listening to me. Even when I'm being a pain, you hear me without judgment. I appreciate you so much." It's a simple gesture that will make him feel loved and supported. Number 5. The memory mover text. This is the ultimate nostalgia trip. Pick a special memory you share with your man and paint it in vivid detail in a text. For example, "Remember that time we hiked up the mountain and the view took our breath away? Your hand in mine, the sun setting behind us, it felt like a dream." Transport him back to that moment and let him relive the magic and love you share. These text messages are not a magic spell, but they can help you create a deeper connection with your man. Remember to keep them genuine, personalized, and respectful. And who knows? You just might make his heart flutter every time he sees a text from you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.